Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you from the Modix collection by Ellen Wille, London Super in the color Sand Shaded. It's not a new style, but it's about a year old I think, but I finally get to try it, so I'm very excited. And that's true for another style by the Modix collection by Ellen Wille, which is Perla or Perla in chocolate mix. I have it, so watch out for my unboxing for this one coming very soon to my channel. But I want to start with London Super first. Neatly packaged. And I want to show you these straight out of the box. I will not play with them too much, just so you really get an idea of what you get out of the box. So once you remove the net, this is what it looks like. So you have quite a few layers here that flip in and out. And then you have a lovely cup construction. So you have a mono top, so that means you can part it wherever you like in this section here, and that will give you a really natural part line. You have an extended lace front, so that runs into the ear tabs and give you a really natural hairline all the way down to those ear tabs. You have a mainly hand-tied cap, and then you have covered wefts at the back, an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. Not much stretch in this cap. These are regular synthetic fibers, because I know quite a few of you quite like just the regular synthetic fibers. So for everyone who does, this is good news. So let's pop this on. This is really, really cute. So it's like almost like a grown out bob with all these layers here. Just move the fringe to where I like it. So as I said, I try not to play with it too much. 4 fingers slightly coming up for the correct position. This is cute. This is a great everyday piece. Very light. No permatease that I can feel. There might be a tiny bit where the covered wefts are, but it's definitely not poofy or big or anything. So you have this kind of fringe, and then you have these layers that flip in and out. So it gives it, I think, quite a natural look. So it's not too uniform. This is what bio hair would do. Let's have a look at the lace front now. Always, Ellen Wille lace fronts are just always really natural, I think. Really well done. Hard. Very natural. So let me show you when you tuck it. Adorable. Definitely very light on. So tell me what you think of London Super. I will do an in-depth review very, very soon, which will come to my YouTube channel very soon. So subscribe so you won't miss it. And yeah, tell me what you think of London Super. Have a lovely day. Bye.